Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be reviewing a product. It's a waterless wash and wax. It does work, and you're probably wondering, how do you wash something with no water? Well, I'm going to explain that. It has on the front of the bottle, it says mist on, wipe off, car wash, high lubricity, and no scratch formula. So let's get straight into this. I'm going to show you how to use it, and you have to follow the directions to a T. If you don't, you could mess something up. So just follow the directions and you'll be just fine. So this stuff does work. Let's get straight into it. Let's go, everybody. So the first thing I'm going to do is read the instructions. The instructions here say, no need for hose and bucket. Simply mist and wipe for a clean, freshly washed and waxed surface. High lubricity formula protects the surface against scratching as it cleans. Advanced polymer chemistry leaves behind a slick wax barrier on all paints, clear coat finishes, glass, polished metals, and plastic trims. Directions: shake well for best results. Use with 2 high-quality microfiber towels, which we have that, and on surfaces that are in the shade, which we're in the shade. Cool to the touch, which we got that. However, the product may also be used in the sun on warm surfaces. Note, for extremely dirty vehicles, pre-rinsing with a strong stream of water is recommended to physically remove heavy dirt. So it says, starting with the upper surfaces, mist one section at a time. Quickly spread the product with a clean microfiber towel folded into 4s. To remove dirt, grime, use a second separate clean dry microfiber towel. Wipe surface dry and then flip towel to a dry portion to a final buff. Return the first damp towel for each initial dirt removal wipe and a second dry towel for a final buff. Repeating this process in each section until the car is complete. Do not allow product to dry, but if it does, simply re-wet and wipe the area. When towel surface becomes saturated with dirt and product, fold to expose the clean, dry towel surface. Place the towel with a clean one if all the towel surfaces have become dirty and saturated. Note, extremely dirty cars will require multiple microfiber towels. Okay, so there we go. So let me go ahead and shake this up, but I got something a little bit better for y'all. I'm actually going to be changing over to a headset. I'm actually going to be wearing this, so that way you get the first person point of view of me actually using this, so you can see exactly how it's done. All right, everybody, so you can still see me right here. Hey, y'all, got the product right here. I'm going to go ahead and set that up right here. I have 2 microfiber towels, brand spanking new, fresh out the wash machine. These are just stained, they're not dirty. So I'm just going to go ahead and, as per directions, I'm going to fold it into 4s, as you can see. Okay. Truck is dirty. I'm going to show you this on the hood. I'm also going to show you on the sides, but hopefully you get a good idea of this. I have it on super wide view, so that way you can get a good idea of everything. So that way nothing gets cut out. So let's go. All right, so now that I have these towels folded into 4s, I'm going to use this towel as my initial wipe towel. This is going to be my drying towel. Set this over here. Now, as per this, it says, now something that it does say, tips for hot surfaces or use in direct sun, complete smaller sections to prevent product evaporation. As the towel becomes more wet, less product is needed. Actual coverage may vary, however, one bottle will wash 3 to 4 mid-sized cars. The average road grime, whatever average road grime is. Okay, so, all right. We're not gonna worry about the matte and flat paints. Not gonna mess with that. So I'm just going to spray a little bit. I'm going to spray a little bit on here. And what I'm going to do, even though it doesn't say this, this is the right way to do it. When you come and wiping, you're going to wipe in a circular motion. Now what you notice is that I'm going and I'm swooping. I'm swooping it up. See? Now, it hasn't been completely saturated, but you do see that we are getting some grime up. Now, when it's to this point right here, it's your choice if you want to fold it or not. This is not dirt. This is a lot of dust that's on here. I have this set on a stream. I'm going to set it to a spray. Now, I'm going to come down here to where you see this stuff right here. Now, watch as I do this. Okay? Now that it's dirty, I'm gonna fold. Do the same motion. See that? It's in that line. It's evenly distributed on the rag. I'm gonna keep doing it over and over. Now, kind of see that it works, okay? Now, the thing that I'm wondering about this stuff is how good is it at getting bugs off? I don't know, but I'm about to try it out. So as I said in the beginning of the video, the truck is dirty. It is dirty, it's not clean. It's a real product review. It's a real how-to video, so that way you can see how this product does. And as you can see, wipes the bugs right off. It's not scratching anything. See that? Bugs coming off. Come right off. Now you're probably wondering, how does this stuff work? Well, while I'm showing you this product and how to work it, I'm going to give you a little information, a little history lesson about this stuff. About the technology, not about this specific product. This technology has been around for a long time, but it hasn't originated with automobiles. It originated with aircraft. Because aircraft cannot be washed at every airport. Because every airport does not have, see that dirt? Every airport does not have a water reclamation system where it could reclaim the water and filter it before it goes into the groundwater. So this technology was developed. But you can see it's getting dirty. Flip it over. Keep going. Now on the deal it says use a second microfiber towel, correct? This is the reason why you need to use a second microfiber towel. I'll readjust this. It's because when your rag, okay, when your rag gets super duper saturated and it gets wet, it gets easier to use, you go over it and you dry it. Now, you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, he just touched the rims. Yeah, I touched it with this side of the towel, not this side. So, clean side, going over it, wiping. Now, the more saturated that it gets with product, easier it is to use, but you can take this product right here and then go over it like so, just like that, just like so. And go ahead and use it here, and I'm actually really using this on my truck right now because it's dirty. I don't feel like going to the truck wash to wash it. And you're probably wondering, wait a minute, do detailing. Yeah, but I have enough wax on this. And yeah, that's right, a wax, not a ceramic coating. I have enough protection on this thing for a while. So I don't really need to hand wash it and do a whole bunch of the stuff. I just use this, because this is just as good. Now, this product retails for about, I think about 10 bucks. Which if you do the math for how much a car wash costs to run it through, in a lot of cases it may be cheaper depending on where you live in the United States, of course, maybe just as much or cheaper than running it through a car wash at this point. This has been a review of Meguiar's Waterless Wash and Wax. And also be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Check out the merch in the merch store for t-shirts, canvas art, pictures of cool stuff as far as everything from airplanes to cars to even semi-trucks, motorcycles, you name it, to tumblers, to women's clothes, to hoodies, shirts, bedding sets, you name it. I mean, we got it. So definitely check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. See you on the next video, everybody.